Well, we have another beautiful day on our hands here in camp in the Prescott National Forest here in Arizona. The weather has just been about perfect, mid-70s, clear, sunny, a little bit of a breeze. This campsite has been really nice. I get kind of partial shade throughout the day as the sun shifts across the sky. Got my hammock set up over here in the trees. And I did get my shower tent set up yesterday and took a nice hot shower. I used the pump up spray bottle and just set that out in the sun all day. Man, I had that out in the sun pretty much all day yesterday. As the sun was starting to set, I pulled it into the shower tent there and took a shower, and man, that water was so hot. It was almost too hot. Very nice. So anyway, today I'm going to get the mountain bike back out and go up the road this way. I have not explored too far up that way. I just went up to the hill where it crests. And I believe when I exit this camp, that's the direction I'm going to go. I'm not going to go out the same way I came in. So it'll be nice to kind of scout that out a little bit. It is a rough road, so it'll be nice to get a feel for what it's going to be like when I do need to take off. So yeah, I'm just going to get geared up for the day here, get some breakfast going, and get the mountain bike out and see what we can find. Simple breakfast this morning, just a hash brown patty with an egg on top, a little cheese. Oh yeah. All right, let's do it. Now, for the record, I am totally out of shape. I have not been riding as much as I should. So we're gonna get broken in here for the season. It's very hilly around here, so it'll be some good climbing. Got to get that cardio in. A lot of people ask me if I want to get an e-bike, and that would take the cardio out of the picture, and that's what I ride bikes for. So I don't see an electric bike in my future for a while. Looks like a little viewpoint opportunity here. This rock. Oh yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Yeah, that's the good stuff. Well, I am heading the opposite direction on this road than when I came in, so I haven't been down this yet. So far, it seems like a smoother road. Still pretty rough in spots, but overall, I think it's smoother than the way I came in. So I'll probably go out this way with the van. I'll tell you what, it's been all uphill so far. Okay, well, we're making our way up this hillside here. It is quite a climb. It's been steep uphill the whole way. This is a little pull out here that had a no camping sign on it. Again, in this part of the National Forest, the Prescott National Forest, they want you camping only in designated sites. This was marked no camping. You can tell someone just left because there's fresh ice. It smells like gasoline too. And there's water bottles all over. Trash. That's how some people roll. Come out, use it, abuse it, take off. This is like a fresh, hasn't even been opened. I don't know, I don't get it. Obviously in a desperate situation. Yeah, it's too bad, you hate to see this, but. Wow, there's a little campground here. I saw this on the map, but it's closed. This is Lower Wolf Creek Forest Camp. Primitive camp. I believe it's a pay. I think it's like 10 bucks a night. I wonder if it's closed permanently or they don't open till May. Let's go look at some signage. We got a dumpster and toilets. Yeah, not bad at all. $10 a night. That's about the max I'll pay for camping. Typically don't pay at all. Campsite must be occupied first night. That way there's no reserving. Yeah. Real nice campground, right in the trees. Got pit toilets. Very cool. Doesn't say anything about when it opens though. All right, well, we made it to the end of the road and it's just more dirt road, gravel road, maintained. So I'll have to do a little research on the map, see if I actually want to drive out this way. It's pretty rural around these parts. So it's gonna be a fun ride back though, all downhill. Ooh. You guys are awesome for picking all that up.
Right?
Saw that up there.
Yeah, dude.
It's a pile of fresh ice that they must have just left this morning.
Yeah, you got all the shit
Yeah.
stuff out of there in that box.
Full bottles of water. It's like, what's going through people's heads? I don't get it. Anyway, thanks. Oh yeah. Yeah, pick up some speed on that one. Whew. Wow, that was a fun one coming down. Man, it was a workout going up though. I need to get back in the routine of riding my bike a little bit more. But I was able to get a good idea of what this road is going to be like going out that direction. I believe it's the exact same distance. I'm pretty much about midway on this forest road. Going out this way takes you to Highway 89. Going out this way, it tees at a gravel road, but it's a fairly maintained gravel road. And I don't know how long that stays gravel till you get out towards Prescott there. So I have to kind of do some research on the map to see where I'm going to go from here, which route going out would be most beneficial for me. It looks like though so far I'm probably just going to go out the way I came in, although that it was quite rough that way. But well, I've been at this camp for a few days now, and I try to take a little bit of time out of each day to just spend time going around the area and just picking up trash. You know, when I first come in, it's all about getting the big stuff out of the way. And then over the course of my stay, I'll really start to focus on what I call the micro trash, which, you know, is real easy to just look over and just leave it on the ground. A lot of bottle caps, plastic water bottle caps, beer bottle caps, cigarette butts. Mostly caps though, that's a big thing you see, a lot of broken glass, nails, toilet paper. This whole hillside here was just all toilet paper. I've cleaned all that up. And one of the things you've got to watch out for in a lot of these dispersed sites is, you know, there's a nice little pool in here, it's fairly level, but you know, if you wanted to get a couple vehicles in here, you'd have to probably back one in all the way into here. And you got to be real careful out here. Anytime you see that gray there, looks like ash. That was a fire pit at one time. And it's since, you know, it's probably been quite a while, has been relocated over there. But this, you got to be careful. You know, you can, with the naked eye, come look here. Okay, yeah, looks all right. I'll just back right over that. I keep this with me. This is a magnet bar. And as you can see, I've already done it once. Look at all the nails on there. That's from just dragging it over this one time really quickly. So I'll pull all these off of here and make a bunch of passes over this spot and get all these nails out of here. Great way to get a nail in your tire, possible flat, when you're out in the middle of nowhere. So I really try to take the time to get all the nails out of here. And that's just the obvious spot. There could be more all over the area. So I'll kind of just drag this thing all around. It's real easy. They actually make a magnet that's on the end of a pole with a wheel, so it's made for this type of thing, but costs more money. This was only like a few bucks. I just put some paracord on there and works out real good. Yeah, I see quite a few I'm picking up. Gosh, look at all those. You know, if you came in here at dusk, you wouldn't see this pile here and probably back right into it. So pull all those off and keep at it. And there's our second pass there. Look at all those gnarly nails. Okay, and there's our third pass. Another good lot of nails there. Make a little pile here by the fire ring and then I'll haul them out. There we are. That's a pretty good pile of nails for that small little area over there. Well, it is almost feeding time, so I'm getting the grill going. I've been using this little charcoal chimney. I've seen these quite a bit, but they're usually quite a bit bigger, you know, like double the size. So I finally found one that's smaller. It's made by Weber. It's a little mini chimney. It's perfect for 1 or 2 people. So getting some coals going. Gonna probably do some grilled chicken tacos for feeding time. Not really lunch or dinner. I'm gonna kind of have a midday meal and call that good. Pig out on some tacos. And the wind has been picking up, although it's kind of died down right now currently, but the clouds are moving in. Can definitely tell there's a weather change coming here. Next few days are supposed to be a dramatic cool off. So we'll see how that goes. In the meantime, we're gonna be having some tacos. All right, let's get some fixins going for these tacos. Yeah, I like onions. And I do not have any fresh tomatoes, so I'm going to be using Rotel. This is diced tomatoes and green chilies in a can. They're pretty decent. Ooh. Okay, and I guess we got to get some chicken chopped up too. Just season this chicken up, a little salt, pepper, some chili powder. I think that's about it. Ooh, these are gonna be good. Well, I'll probably sit here and eat about 3 or 4 of these. I'm pretty hungry. I like to kind of make them as I eat them. Get one tortilla heated up, fix it up, start eating it while I throw another tortilla in there and just kind of get a little rhythm going. All right, that's looking good. Gosh, stomach is growling. I don't know if you guys heard that. And actually, the last time I was at a market, produce was not looking good. Fresh produce. A lot of bare shelves and a lot of bad looking produce. I don't know what was going on with that. Today we're doing Valentina. I like to mix it up with my hot sauces. Boom. That is going to be a fine. Oh, we got a little bit of cheese too. I often like tacos without cheese, but this cheese sitting in my fridge for a while. I'm going to use it up. There it is. That is going to be yummy, yummy. I am so hungry. Give it a bite. Oh, heck yeah. It's going down tonight, guys. I'm gonna a few more of these. There's that taco party up in here. Oh, that grilled chicken. Tell you what. Well, that is simple and delicious right there. There's a real easy trick for making any food taste really good. Just don't eat all day. Go for a hard mountain bike ride. And then pretty much whatever you eat will taste good after that. Well, that's going to wrap it up for this one, guys. I just want to thank you all for being here. Appreciate you joining me on my adventures, and we'll see you soon in the next video. Take care. Peace.